Today I'm checking out one of Japan's first growing budget hotel chains, Henn Hotel. Henn Hotel is known for its robot check-in system and its strong focus on efficiency. The concept combined labor-saving technology with a bit of entertainment. For this stay, I chose the location near Hamamatsucho Station. I booked a standard single room, and here's how the experience went. For this stay, I chose the location near Hamamatsucho Station. From the JR Hamamatsucho Station North exit, it's about a 5 minutes walk. Exit the station, head towards the pedestrian overpass, walking straight for about 100 meters. Cross the next intersection, and continue about 50 meters past Hamamatsucho Highball Bar, when you can see a 14-story grey building. That's the hotel. It's easy to find and very straightforward.
Hi there. I'm in Tokyo near Hamamatsucho Station, and which is a very big station to go to Haneda Airport and other areas in Tokyo. And I was looking for a hotel in this area, and the Henn Hotel is one of the options.
Check-in experience. As soon as you enter, two robots at the reception desk greet you. They can say standard phrases like welcome and hello, but they don't actually engage in conversation. The real check-in process happens at the touchscreen kiosks in front of the counter. You simply follow the on-screen instructions, and the process is quick and simple. If there is any issue, there's a telephone next to the counter that connects you to a human operator, so you are not completely dependent on the machines. After checking in, you pick up amenities from shelves next to the restaurant entrance. Pajamas, body towel, razors, and other items are available on a self-service basis. You only take what you need, which fits the hotel's efficiency-focused concept. Standard single room, 12 square meters. I stayed in the 12 square meter standard single room. It's exactly what you expect from the compact Japanese business hotel. A 120 cm wide single bed, a desk, a TV, and very limited floor space. Once you place your suitcase between the desk and the bed, you immediately recognize how tight the room is. Opening a large suitcase requires some planning, and there's barely any space to unpack comfortably. That said, for one adult, it's perfectly functional. The bed is 195 cm long, and I did not feel cramped while sleeping. One standout feature is the in-room garment cleaning machine. You can place suits or other delicate clothing inside, and it removes odors and refreshes them without traditional washing. For business travelers, this is actually a very practical addition. Other essentials like an electric kettle and a safety box are included. Despite the small size, the room is efficiently designed and equipped with everything you need. The bathroom is compact but well built, with a bathtub, shower, and a multifunctional bidet toilet, reflecting the high standard typical of Japanese hotels. Breakfast. I stayed on the breakfast included plan and had breakfast at the restaurant on the first floor. They serve a healthy Japanese-style breakfast, which is welcome change if you are used to Western-style hotel breakfast. The restaurant itself is quite small, with around 10 seats. It's not really designed for a long, relaxed morning. It feels more like a place to eat efficiently and head out. Checkout and final thoughts. Checkout is also self-service through a touch screen. You follow the instruction on the screen and the process is very quick. The two robots give you slightly strange smiles as they say goodbye, but they didn't actually assist with anything. To be honest, their presence feels more like a gimmick than a necessity. The robot concept is interesting at first, but the real value lies in its efficiency and functionality. After checking out, I used the luggage storage locker on the second floor. The system felt secure and convenient, especially if you have time to explore before heading to the airport. Overall, Henn Hotel is a practical, no-frills option in a very convenient location. If you are a solo traveler or a business traveler looking for a clean, well-located hotel near Haneda Airport, Henn Hotel does exactly what it needed to do. Mike Kobayashi, hotel review of Henn Hotel in Hamamatsucho, Tokyo.